Jay, start it. All right, you next.
Alright, buddy.
Let her rip, Chip. Well, this thing goes deeper than I thought it did. What's going on, everybody? Show 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog. Today's an exciting day because today's race day. I've been waiting for this for like 3 months because we were supposed to go back in April and COVID decided to show up. So this is the first event of the year, and it just happens to be the day that I'm also leaving for Florida. So I'm racing the truck. I'm gonna do like 5 or 6 runs, and then in like 5 hours take it on a 4,000-mile road trip. But that's not the point. First name full, last name send. So here we are, we got the truck. I got the 17s on. Motor-wise, what's different than last year? Nothing besides I deleted the clutch fan, I put a catch can in. I got a Greene 93 tune on it. Dropped some weight, pulled the rear seat, pulled the spare, pulled the tailgate. And we're on the way, we're just waiting for Marty to come out of the drive-thru in his Duramax. He's gonna be trying for a 13.9 today, because last year when we went he had a 14.0, so he's gonna be trying for a 13.9. It's like 40 degrees cooler, so okay, maybe not 40, like 30, so should be good. I'm excited. All right, we just arrived. Looking yeah, Ben's my tire guy. Hey, they good? All right, cool. I'm running 10s. All right, Marty, what's your goal today, guy?
13.99, dude.
13.9, not a 13.98?
No, dude, that's too fast.
Oh, all right.
I'm gonna get it today too, man. I'm confident. Truck's running clean.
It was running pretty damn good. This is like a event,
Dude, get
made from a car meet group. So because we made it so long ago, the track decided that we're still gonna keep it open during all this.
Running.
All right, we're going to tech. Excuse me, Logie.
Oh, sorry.
Driving up for tech. So I'm running the 93 street tune right now. I'm gonna do like 2 runs on that, and then after that we're gonna load the 93 race tune, see if it improves. It should improve it a little bit. Gonna see what it runs. Checking out some of the stuff here. Everything, I mean, yeah, pretty much just what I can't see up here. Numbers. This line ain't moving. It's gonna be another, it's gonna be a while. All right, so we got done with tech. It's gonna be windy today, guys, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna hold the screen up. Hopefully it holds back some wind. Are you ready to run, guy?
Yep, I am.
All right, we got teched in. They opened up the lanes. Gonna do a run here. The first one's gonna be on a 93, my 93 street tune. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Yeah, the 93 street tune. Gonna do a Bernie, launch it in 2, see if I hook, and then I'm gonna launch it in 4 the next time, and then we'll go from there. We'll throw the race tune on after that. And Marty's right. I don't know if me and Marty are gonna be next to each other or not, but he is right behind me.
Probably not.
He's shooting for a 13.9. Alright guys, so real quick here, let me explain this run. This first run was absolutely horrible. I wanted to test the truck. I wanted to do it because now that I have the locker, I wanted to do a burnout. I wanted to see if the truck would hook, because I don't have, I have 392s and I might have like 330 wheel horse. So I didn't think I had enough horsepower to just roast the tires off. And I figured I might be able to launch. We'll have to see depending on the track prep, depending on everything. Didn't happen. I launched in 2. It was a horrible idea. Jay missed the burnout actually. I was starting to do it and she clicked the button. So I did a pretty good burnout, got the tires nice and warm. And then not to mention, the staging lanes from the burnout are so close together on this track that I went right past them. So I backed up, and I was still in reverse and the light went green, and so I slammed it in drive and just mashed the pedal. This run was absolutely horrible. They get better, I promise. They get a lot better. But this run, like I said, I tried launching in 2. Worst idea. Just kept spinning, and the staging lanes were a lot closer than like Lapierre's, so I went right past them, and as I was in reverse, the guy next to me in the Mini Cooper was already staged and ready. So by the time I got in that light, I was still in reverse and the light went green, and I had to slam into drive, and it was horrible. So I just wanted to explain that.
Put your 100 tune in. Put your 100 tune in right now, and then race them on the 150. All right, see you. Come on, man.
Okay guys, so that first run, absolute garbage. The stage like came up a lot faster than I thought it was, so I was in the stage already. The car next to me staged, so guy told me to back up, and the light went green as I was in reverse still. So then I was moving in reverse, which made the time start, and then I slammed it in drive, hit the gas, and I spun through second gear. So I was just trying a launch and 2-wheel to see how it worked. Clearly these tires, which I figured, clearly these tires cannot hold up. So I might do a burnout just to get them warm and then launch in 4, or maybe I'll just launch in 4. I'm not really sure. I'm probably gonna drop pressure a little bit too. Marty ran a 14.4. He said he spun a lot too. We're gonna go again though, because that was so bad. It was so bad. But it was the first run, so.
I don't come just to be the camera girl. I come also for the food. And Ben's gonna buy me food.
All right guys, so that one was now my new personal record, 14.6 at 93, which this one I ran a
50-foot still sucks.
I ran a 16.0 at 92 because I spun, and I ran a 14.6.
How'd you still run 92?
This is on the street tune. This is on the street tune. I still ran 93 mile an hour of 14.6, and I still spun. I spun a lot. Like my front, I think it was that front wheel up there.
You beat me.
Yeah, Marty. Oh, it's not focused. There you go. What'd you run? 14.8?
Yeah, 14.8.
Said he was wheel hopping like crazy.
Yeah, and then I forgot to hit the gas again when I let off. I was just driving like a casual Sunday, dude.
All right, did 2 runs with the street tune. We're throwing the 93 race on there. Probably only gonna, if I hook good and go how I want. The line takes like a half hour longer to get on the track.
I forgot this only takes like 30 seconds.
So it kind of gets, yeah, it kind of gets annoying sitting in line waiting to do 1 run for a half hour. So we're gonna, if I launch good, get a good reaction time and everything, probably gonna send her after this one, but we shall see. Close the hood and get in line. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm kind of nervous because, like, I do have to take this to Florida tonight, so we do have another car, but I want to take this. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try for the left lane this time. Maybe. I don't know. The right lane. I mean, Marty said he spun on the left, or he wheel hopped in the left.
Yeah, it's because you get traction probably though.
I just haven't ran left yet. I've only done 2 right. And I roasted the tires first one.
I mean, you might as well try left because you haven't got traction.
Yeah.
Right.
I need tires.
Yeah, you need tires.
Tires real bad.
Trying to race on all terrain.
They're like nice guys.
In line to race. Ate a hot dog, or a brat, sorry. 2 brats, that's right.
No, that's blue. Blue, I think it was that blue one there. I think it's 12 seconds. Well, that guy was sleeping on the thing.
Spin it, dude. Good grief.
His first.
All right, guys, take your Dr. Pepper with you. My last run of the day, probably. Jay's taking the camera.
Where are you gonna park this thing?
Probably where Marty's at.
Marty was?
Or yeah, where we were last. I'm really hoping for a 14.5. We'll see. I got to get a good launch, grab traction. Hopefully.
I can feel 14.4 for some reason.
Yeah, we'll see.
I doubt it, but
we'll see.
I can feel it for some reason.
Okay, so that one was a 14.7, and it felt a lot better, honestly.
It's because your reaction time was a hell of a lot faster. It's 3 cents faster. Your 60 foot was slower by its full 10.
I didn't feel spinning or nothing. I might not have told.
Your 330 was slower.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.
8th mile was slower. 8th mile an hour was slower.
Seriously?
Yeah. You were slower. You're slower from the reaction time on.
Wow.
Everywhere.
I just felt so much better. My 14.6 run, I pulled it out of 4-wheel before it shifted, and this run I pulled it out of 4 after it shifted.
That's probably
So
why.
I was in 4-wheel drive longer on my 14.7 than I was on my 14.6. So maybe that's what it was. I'd want to do another one, but it's too long. And I'm gonna. You wanna pull the hood up?
Yeah.
Yeah. I would do another one, but I've done 3, and like I said, I do gotta drive to Florida, so I don't want to do another one. We know. I mean, I would maybe get a 10th better, so I'd maybe see a 14.5, but 14.6. I'm mid 14s. That's good.
Oh, that thing's hot.
Yeah, it does get hot. I'm just glad I got. My goal was a 14.5, so at least I was pretty close. I think if I would have launched, and pulled it right away, maybe that's
now
what I
you're
got.
just as fast.
So I think that's the key for next time. Because next time I come here, I'll have headers and another tune. Launch in 4 and pull it out immediately. Yeah, and I need a tire. I need to. Well, yeah, I guess I wouldn't. If I put a tire on, I don't gotta launch it in 4.
I have to launch it for.
Down once. He's pushing it with his feet.
I might. There's no ETs on it. What the hell's going on? Oh, we got a formula.
Aw. Well, it started to rain a little bit. Yep, clearly. So we took off. Wow, that's a nice house. Put the wheels back on, the 20s back on, threw the rear seat back in it. It's all quote unquote back together and heavy. Just kidding. But I will talk to you guys when I get home because my camera's about to die. All right, guys. So, good day at the track. Not kind of how I saw it going. One, there was a lot of people there, so it took me 4 hours, 5 hours, just to do 3 runs. Marty ended up leaving before I did my last run because after he wheel hopped, he was like, he's done. He don't want to break nothing. But like I said, overall good day at the track. Like last year I ran a 15.2 at 87. This year I ran a 14.6. And I'm going to be going again. Once I throw on the next part that I got here, well, that I'm getting in the next week. I'm going to be ordering it next week probably. When I throw that part on, I'm going to go again with a new tune. Good overall day. Like I ran 14.6 at 93. I was shooting for 14.5, so it was close enough. I've learned a couple things. I need some new tires. I'm gonna get some new, probably should be getting some new rear control arms here to eliminate some wheel hop. Just a little things. But overall good day. So Marty didn't hit I think his lowest was a 14.3. He never hit a 13.9. But like I said, overall good day. I'm sorry I didn't have any in truck footage. I brought the camera to do interior footage, and I didn't have a SIM card, and I was pretty pissed because if you remember my last run against the C4 Corvette, I wish I'd have had a camera in there. I was geeking because the whole time I was sitting there and I got my hand on the wheel and my other hands were going, come on, as I'm like punching the truck. We did end up taking that car. That car ran a 14.5 and I ran a 14.7 that run, but because I treat him and I beat him at the light, I did finish before him. So it was cool. It was just C4 though, nothing fast. But it was a good day racing. UCM down in Detroit put that on. It was a good event. I'm sure hopefully maybe the end of June, early July, I'll go again racing. So when I get back home, I've got something to show you on Ryan's truck. He's already got it done. And Jay's car actually has a surprise as well. And then my truck, obviously will be getting something soon. So good content coming up, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.